At bumuhos na nga ang palakpakan para sa ating kaibigan. Give it up for Jillian! Good job, Jillian. Nagpaulan ka ng talento dito sa ating final showdown. And now let's hear it from our coaches. Let's ask Coach Martin.
Jillian, that was beautiful. Dynamics, check. Technique, check. Professional singing style, check. Lahat check. Alam mo, Jillian, you don't have to win a championship to be a champion. Tonight, you are a champion. Good job.
Thank you, Coach Martin. How about you, Coach KZ?
Day, ginhawa sa day. Kumakaginhawa na dyan ka, day. Humana dyan, day. Di kasi di ba si Jillian Bisaya, pwede ka nang huminga kasi nabigay mo yung best mo. This is one of your best performances sa buong season. Grabe yung growth na pinakita mo sa performance na to. Tama si Coach Martin, yung dynamics, the storytelling, na pinaka-importante sa lahat ng bagay nandun. Congratulations for that amazing performance.
Thank you so much, Coach KZ. Kapoy ka na?
Kapoy na.
Kapoy na. But worth it. Diba? Super worth it. And now, we give Coach Bamboo the floor right now para sa pag-usap with the voting public. Coach.
I'm speechless. Thank you for bringing that for your last performance. Maraming salamat. It was so beautiful, so emotional. I loved how you ended that. Tinamaan ako na eh. And that's totoo eh. Totoo, di ba? Tinamaan talaga ako. I was so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. This whole week, we know what it's been, no? This whole weekend, we're working, we're fighting for our lives para lang we can do something special. And you are special. You are a star when I see you eh. You just have it eh. Right? And tama yung lahat ng ginawa mo eh, no? It's tasteful, it's powerful, it's beautiful. It's hindi nga siya parang nawala ako sa competition eh. At nanood lang ako ng show mo. Yun ang totoo. Okay? So congratulations, Jillian. And sa lahat, again, ano ba sabihin ko? Maraming salamat sa lahat na bumoboto, for all three artists. But please support Jillian. That's it.
Thank you so much, Coach Bamboo. Well, lahat kami talaga tinamaan sa performance mo. Muli, palapakan po natin, Jillian! Thank you! Pero anong emosyon kaya ang ipinuwas ng pamilya ni Jillian, Ate B?
Alam mo, Robbie, kanina after Jillian's performance, dalang-dala siya eh. Nakaganon lang siya. Ganon din si Mommy and Daddy. Dalang-dala ng performance ni Jillian. Sobrang proud. Congratulations. At kung dalang-dala din kayo ng performance ni Jillian, just log on to joynow.ph/TVT3 or i-scan ang QR code. At syempre, i-click ang pangalan at photo ni Jillian. Please make sure na naka-register na kayo with your Google or Gmail account. Thank you, Mommy Jacqueline. Thank you, Daddy Joe. Congratulations!